today we're going to talk about recovery, and more specifically, we're going to talk about how to utilize a foam roller for different parts of your body to help promote some of that recovery. So you're going to get pretty worn down, just exercise, normal routine stuff, being on your feet all day. So we're going to start at the bottom. First thing we're going to do is get into our calves. So start here. Again, you can dictate how much of your own body weight you put into this. So if I want not as much, I'm going to put both legs on here. If I want more, what I recommend is stacking one leg on top of the other one, so you have more of your body weight going into your legs, so you can get deeper into the tissue. So you're going to roll all through this leg. One thing you want to make sure you do is point your toe away from you, right? Because now we're relaxing that muscle a little bit. We can get deeper into it. You want to go through, work back and forth. So I'm moving my foot away from me, back to the inside, through the whole distance. And then at the bottom here, really try to work back and forth, almost kind of sanding that leg back and forth, because we want to get our tissues moving in different directions. So if we're really trying to mobilize, they're used to going this way. So we're trying to get them to actually go back and forth a little bit to increase that mobility. All right? So again, look at the other side, rolling through, working different aspects of it, toe away from you. You get more of your body weight into this thing. We're going back and forth. Good. So that's calf foam rolling.